What's up guys, this is from Exa. Actually guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export your 3D model in FBX and how to use in your game. So I mean how to import in your game. So without further ado, let's jump on to it. So first of all, open it your Blender. So I'm just let me open it and okay, wait for a second. And okay, I don't know why it's taking so much time. I think the video length maybe three minutes, more than 3 minutes. I don't know, but I try to sort of it. So okay, and let's make a diamond. AX to delete it and shift A to the mask and here diamond. If you don't have, then check out your preference and your plugin, and then check in available in your preference. I'm sure. Then this something. Okay, then select it and then click on file, then click on this export and use FBX, because if you're trying, I mean you're gonna to use in game. So if you use Unity, it supports FBX, and if you use Unreal, then it will also support FBX. So export it in FBX, then name it. I'm just going to white diamond. I know white. I sort in white D and selected object, and if you actually I'm going to import it in Unreal. So in Unreal, X forward and Z up. Okay, that's good. And horror game asset, then export FBX, and we are good to go. Now we have successfully exported our 3D model in FBX. Okay, so if I come on to Unreal Engine and here click on import, and there's a lot of ways to import it. Simply like drag and drop, or you can just click on import, or just copy file. Copy file and paste it in content browser in your project. So here is my okay documents, side of documents, horror game asset, and where is my okay, this is YT, and open it, hit import all, and okay, that's a simple warning. Right, double click it, because there is no collision in this object, there is no collision. So let's set up collision. So here scroll down, and here collision complexity, to change it to here. Okay, use complex solution as simple, and then go to collision, then click on auto convex collision, and then hit apply, and you are good to go. And now let's make a material coupon. I think okay, I just drag it. I'm not making any material for it. You can make it new, and as you can see, and now I can drag and drop here, and if I play it, okay, wait for me. As you can see, this is my diamond with collision, and if I shoot it, Okay, and horizon is working. And now let's actually, this is my level sequence. Okay, and if you don't know how to do that, don't worry, I will make a separate video for it. And for today's video, thanks for watching and have a great day. Please consider to like and share and comment. If you have any questions, feel free to comment me, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and